Respected viewers, Assalamu alaikum. The blood transfusion is a process in which blood or blood products are transferred in the circulation of an individual intravenously. Indications of blood transfusion include in case of acute blood loss due to injury, trauma or surgery, in case of anemia due to any reason, hemoglobin level 7 to 8 gram per deciliter, in case of bleeding disorders, in case of cancer or after chemotherapy. Now there are 4 common types of blood transfusions. Whole blood transfusion, when all the component of blood are required, RBCs, WBCs, platelets along with plasma. And red blood cell transfusions, when only RBCs are required in case of anemia to increase the oxygen capacity of the blood. Platelet transfusions in case of bleeding disorders. Plasma transfusion in case of burns or infection, as plasma is rich of proteins and antibodies. Furthermore, cryoprecipitate or individual clotting factors are also transfused in certain specific situations. Now, before blood transfusion, the level of hemoglobin of donor should be checked, and any history of medical, metabolic or infectious disease should be asked from donor, and the donor's blood should be screened for hepatitis B and C at least. Further, the donor's blood should be properly cross-matched on the basis of ABO blood group system and RH blood group system. Now, according to the ABO blood group system and RH blood group system, there are 8 types of blood. Blood group A, positive and negative. Blood group B, positive and negative. Blood group AB, positive and negative. And blood group O, positive and negative. Now the table shows the compatible blood groups between the recipient and the donor. The O negative blood group has no antigens, no antigen A, antigen B and antigen RHD. So this blood can be transfused to any person with any blood group and is called universal donor blood group. On the other hand, a person with AB positive blood group has no antibodies, no antibody A, no antibody B and no RH antibodies. So a person with AB positive blood group can receive blood from any person with any blood group and is called universal recipient. Further combinations, the list is shown in the table. Now a person having AB negative blood group can receive blood from B negative, O negative, A negative and of course AB negative person. A person with A positive blood group can receive blood from O negative, O positive, A negative and A positive. And A negative recipient can receive blood only from O negative and A negative person. Now the person with blood group B positive can receive blood from O negative person, O positive person, B negative and B positive. Similarly, B negative person can receive blood only from O negative and B negative, and O positive person can receive blood from O negative and O positive, and O negative can only receive blood from O negative person. Now in next video it will be talked about the blood transfusion reactions. Inshallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.